Regards from CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited. Your healthcare consultant in India, committed to your well-being. Living with diabetes amid the lockdowns of COVID-19. You can send your queries related to diabetes on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971 986258. When you eat food, it gets converted to glucose, and this glucose converts to energy that is utilized by the cells of the body for their activities. The conversion of glucose into energy for cells is done under the influence of insulin produced by pancreas. This insulin also triggers that there is enough blood glucose in the body, so that extra blood glucose is absorbed by the liver as glycogen and is also stored in muscles. How one gets diabetes? When there is not enough insulin produced by the body, or insulin is not properly utilized by the body, the glucose does not get converted to energy, and there is more blood glucose in the bloodstream that causes diabetes. What are the types of diabetes? Type 1 diabetes, where one's own immune system starts damaging the B cells of the pancreas that is responsible for production of the insulin. As a result, the body does not have enough insulin. Type 1 diabetes is more common in children and younger adults. Type 2 diabetes, more common of all the diabetes. One's own body does not produce enough insulin, or insulin produced is not properly utilized by the body. More common in middle-aged or elderly people. And gestational diabetes, that usually occurs in the pregnant female during their pregnancy period. Other less common types of diabetes are monogenic diabetes and cystic fibrosis related diabetes. Understanding type 1 diabetes. Cells of the pancreas that produces insulin gets destroyed by one's own immune system, and as a result one's body does not produce enough insulin. Lack of insulin gives rise to glucose or sugar in blood, and the medical condition is called type 1 diabetes. Although it affects mostly children or young adults, but it can occur to anybody at any age. It can be hereditary, that is, if your parents or brother or sister have type 1 diabetes, you stand higher chances of getting it. Insulin is the only treatment option for type 1 diabetes. Understanding type 2 diabetes. Type 2 is the most common of diabetes. It usually occurs in middle-aged or elderly people but can occur at any age. In type 2 diabetes, either one's body does not make sufficient amount of insulin or does not use insulin properly. As a result, glucose level in blood increases and type 2 diabetes occurs. People above the age of 45 or older have a family history of diabetes, who are overweight or obese, who have a sedentary lifestyle, devoid of physical activities. Those people are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. High blood pressure is also observed as one of the causative factors for type 2 diabetes. Understanding gestational diabetes are the diabetes that occurs to ladies during their pregnancy. During pregnancy, the placenta produces hormones to sustain your pregnancy. These hormones make your cell more resistant to insulin. Normally, your pancreas responds by producing enough extra insulin to overcome this resistance. But sometimes your pancreas cannot keep up. When this happens, too little glucose gets into your cell and too much stays in your blood, resulting in gestational diabetes. Women who are black, Hispanic, American, Indian, or Asian are more likely to develop gestational diabetes. Symptoms of type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Symptoms of type 1 diabetes are severe as compared to the type 2 diabetes. The symptoms could range from increased thirst, polyuria or frequent urination, especially at night time, extreme hunger, sudden visible loss of weight, fatigue or tiredness for no apparent reason, blurred vision, irritability, difficulty in healing of wounds and sores, frequent gums, skin or vaginal infections. They are the symptoms for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Complications of diabetes. Long-term complications of diabetes develop gradually. The longer you have diabetes and the less control your blood sugar, the higher are the risk of complications. Risk of developing cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, also termed as diabetic neuropathy, kidney damage or diabetic nephropathy, eye damage or diabetic retinopathy, food damage, also known as diabetic foot, susceptibility to bacterial or fungal infection of the skin, loss of hearing, increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease, depression for no apparent reason. These are the complications of diabetes. How you can prevent yourself from for not getting diabetes. Type 1 diabetes cannot be prevented, but type 2 or gestational diabetes can be prevented, or the risk may be minimized by certain lifestyle changes. Eat healthy, a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and avoid being overweight. Obesity is linked to your chances of getting diabetes. How to avoid complications of diabetes? Once you are diagnosed with diabetes, your endocrine doctor will decide what are your best medication, insulin or oral, to keep your diabetes in check. Regular blood sugar levels are needed, as well as the proper follow-up with treating doctor for any dose adjustment. Following lifestyle changes will help you in controlling complications. Quit smoking if you are a smoker. Keep your blood pressure and cholesterol in check. Have regular follow-up with your doctor and an ophthalmologist or eye doctor. Keep your vaccination up to date. Take care of your teeth. Maintain good oral hygiene. Pay attention to your feet to avoid getting diabetic food complications. Consider a low-dose aspirin daily. Responsible liquor consumption if you drink. Keep the stress at bay. By making these lifestyle changes, you can avoid complications of diabetes. Living with diabetes in lockdowns of COVID-19. For any query regarding diabetes management, you can send your queries to us on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91 9971 986258. We will get you the opinion from the best of the Indian endocrinologists for a better diabetes management. CMCS Health, your healthcare consultant in India for all your medical and healthcare related needs. Regards from CMCS Health and Medicare Private Limited. Your healthcare consultant in India, committed to your well-being. Living with diabetes amid the lockdowns of COVID-19. You can send your queries related to diabetes on our WhatsApp, IMO, Viber or Telegram number, that is +91